Hi, my name is John, and in this video I will show you how to edit this template. This is a trigger card. Okay, to see this effect you need to go to the front end. Okay, this effect don't work in the editor, you need to go to the front end to see the trigger cards. Okay, to edit this you need to go to this element, okay, trigger CSS here, click on the class. Okay, you can change the height, in this case 50 rem, and you can change this depending of the height of the card or of the element. Okay, you can change this. Go to the CSS. Okay, in the CSS you don't need touch the code, you only need change this value if you need. For example, the transition time, you can set this, for example, 1 second, and go to the front end. Okay, I will reload, and now you can see that the transition, okay, change. And now you can change this for more speed, 0.5, and you can change the vertical gap and horizontal gap for the card. For example, you can set 5 rems and 5 rems. You can change the gaps, okay, for the card. In this case, for default is 2 rem, and now this changes the gap of the cards. Okay, for this is all. You can set in the element. For example, this is a card. You can set the card, and you can set 3 elements inside this tiger. Okay, and this trigger you can set. For example, this is the default of the template. You can duplicate. Okay, I will delete this. I will delete the card. Okay, only set the code. For here you can add a block. It's very important. Set a block, one div, and inside the div you can set one image, and you can set for example here, and I will duplicate these blocks. Okay, I will change this image and this other image. Okay, you can set 3 elements inside the trigger CSS. Very important, set one div. Okay, inside I will save. I will go to the front end. I will reload, and now you can see that this work with other elements. Okay, you can set inside the trigger your card, your image, and your elements. Okay, very important. Grab the content in a block. Okay, for the code you can change the code parameters. Okay, in this case you can change the threshold and the trigger. Okay, this is the trigger padding or the trigger. You can change this, for example 100. I will go to the front end. Okay, remember, if you duplicate this you need to delete this and use only the one code. Okay, I will change this, for example, to 100. Sign code, save. Okay, front end, reload. Okay, and now you can see this is the 200 to trigger the animation. Okay, for default is 0. Okay, I set 0, and you can change this for the visibility of element and trigger the animation. You can change this to 0.5, for example, and now okay, sign the code. Remember, sign the code, save. I will go to the front end. I will reload, and now you can see that this trigger for one visibility of the element. Okay, 0.5. Okay, you can see now if the element is visible 50%, now this trigger. Okay, in this case for 1, if the element is 100% visibility, and if the element is completely visible, okay, the element trigger the animation. Okay, you can see now this is the 100 or the percent of the trigger. Okay, for default is 1 and trigger card is 0 is the best configuration, but you can change these values. Okay, you don't need touch the code, only change this, and in the CSS only touch the code, only you need go to the styles, and if you need change the height, and in the CSS you can change these values. Okay, you don't need touch the other CSS. It's very easy, and I hope you like this template, and see you in the next video. Bye.